How to log out from Aviator. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this menu icon. Simply tap on the menu icon. Here on the top, tap on your profile picture. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Exit. So, this is the place where you can directly exit your account. Now, make sure you have your ID and password saved. So if you tap on exit, you'll be redirected to the login page. So make sure you have all the information for later. At last, simply tap on exit. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, I have already quitted my account and I have been logged out. Now you can again tap on sign in to log in to your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.